Hey guys, what's going on? Hope everyone's having a great Friday so far. Just here to tell you a little bit about something I received as a gift recently. They are Christmas Santa salt and pepper shakers. It's a 2-piece set, 2 by 3/4 high. My mom actually got this for me to just put out on the table because I'm hosting Christmas this year. And I actually love salt and pepper shakers. I kind of have a little collection of them, so they were perfect to add to the collection. They're perfect Christmas salt and pepper shakers. They're Santa and Mrs. Claus kissing design. Come in a set of 2 ceramic shakers, 1 salt shaker and 1 pepper shaker. And they are the perfect complement to any holiday table. So they come nice in this box here. It's probably a better view of it actually. So it's by Christmas House, salt and pepper set. Product dimensions are 3.5 by 1.5 by 2.8 inches. The item weight is 3.36 ounces. The shipping weight is 3.84 ounces. And the manufacturer is Christmas House. So the item model number is B076QF477G. And I think they make a perfect gift, or just perfect for you to add to your own collection. And I'm going to take them out of the box so you guys could see a little bit better. Okay, so I took these out of the box here so you guys could see. So this is Mrs. Claus. I guess it doesn't really matter which one you put the salt and pepper in. I haven't filled them yet, but there's Mr. Claus here. So you could use, like I said, either one for the salt or pepper, doesn't matter. And then they're very easy to fill. They have this little sealant here that you could kind of just pop out. I'll take that out to show you guys. Okay, so I just popped this plastic piece out and opened this up so you could fill it this way. The only thing is just be careful, because I don't know if you want to put something over the holes here, because if you go to fill this up, the salt or pepper is going to be pouring out of these holes and make a big mess. So I've done that before, not with these luckily, but with a different set that I had. I just wasn't even thinking and I made a mess. So just maybe you put a piece of tape there while it's being filled. I think that's probably the best suggestion, a piece of Scotch tape. And then once it's all full, obviously turn it back on its right side and then take the tape off and you'll be good to go. So yeah, so it was really easy. And then this was the little piece, so you could just pop this right back in after you're done filling it. Okay, so I just put the little sealant back in. So just want to show you guys a little bit more close up. You can see the little cute Santa face, and then the back, he's holding a little gift. And then we have Mrs. Claus. And same thing, it just comes right out, and fill up the salt or pepper, and then place the sealant back in, and then you're good to go. And you can see her too. She has her little gift, so I guess the gifts are supposed to be for each other. Kind of cute. And they're ceramic. I don't know. I guess they're not hand painted, but they look like they could be. I think they're cute. She's got her little Mrs. Claus bun. I like stuff like this. I like the cute little Christmas decorations. Looks cute on the table. And then it looks like they're kissing each other. So cute. Cute for a little couple. My mom, like I said, gave this to me and my husband last Christmas. And just to put out on the table, but it was that, the end of the holiday by the time I got it, so I didn't really get to put it out yet. So I'm happy this year I get to use it. So I'm going to put it on my kitchen table. And then we have the back of the container here. Says imported by Greenbrier International Incorporated, 500 Volvo Parkway in Chesapeake, Virginia. In Canada, DTSC Imports, Burnaby, BC, made in China, not dishwasher safe, not microwave safe, hand wash only. So yeah, just hand wash it and dry really well afterwards. And then there's the little barcode on the back. So really cute. Makes a cute little stocking stuffer or something for somebody, especially a new married couple. older couple, whatever. Anybody really. Anyone that likes Mr. and Mrs. Claus and Christmas, I think, will like this. So these were the Christmas House Salt and Pepper set, Mr. and Mrs. Claus. I hope you guys found the video useful, and I thank you for watching. See you later.